So the general position of immobilization of the hand, we consider MP joints to be in flexion and IP joints to be in extension. MP joints are generally immobilized in around 70 to 90 degrees of flexion. We have already discussed why IP joints should be immobilized in extension. Let us discuss why MP joints must be immobilized in flexion. So the head of the metacarpal has a can-shaped, or it is rather a symmetrical contour, so which causes the collateral ligaments to become taut in flexion and lax in extension. So what happens is, if we immobilize the joint in flexion, the ligaments are maintained in a stretched position. So when they are in a stretched position, that prevents the adaptive shortening and contracture of those collateral ligaments. If we immobilize them in extension, the lax ligaments tighten over time. It leads to joint stiffness, and then there is loss of flexion. Also, when we immobilize in extension, there is trauma, edema fluid sets in, which also sorts of adds to all these things, and the ligaments tend to tighten and leading to joint stiffness and loss of flexion. Also, returning back from this, even physiotherapy when the MP joints are immobilized in extension is very tough, is very painful. So that is why flexion is the position of immobilization. It places the MP joints in a functional position. It preserves grip strength, joint stability, and definitely long-term hand function.